In the last class, we have solved till 35 questions, isn't it?
Sir.
We shall continue from 36th onwards. The 36th question, we have the number of line of symmetry in a regular hexagon is 6th class.
Oh,
So how many line of symmetry will be there for a regular hexagon?
6, sir.
There will be 6.
sir. Sir.
37th question, the number of line of symmetry in a regular polygon of n sides is.
N, sir.
Here, when you observe, if six-sided regular polygon is there, it will be having 6 line of symmetry. So if n sides are there, n number of line of symmetry will be there.
Yes, sir.
38th, a protractor has dash line or lines of symmetry. Protractor
line.
is, we have discussed, it is there in the shape of letter D.
One line of symmetry, sir.
There will be only one line of symmetry.
Sir.
Question number 39. A 30-degree, 60-degree, 90-degree set square has dash line of symmetry. This will not be having any line of symmetry.
None.
Whereas this particular set square, 45-degree, 45-degree,
Next one, sir.
One.
there will be
One.
one line of symmetry.
One.
A rhombus is symmetrical about. A rhombus is symmetrical about. You should know this is a rhombus. If you observe this, this will be the line of symmetry. This line joining these two opposite vertices, they are called as diagonal. This is one of the diagonal. When I consider one more diagonal, it is a line segment which is joining these two opposite vertices. Here also there can be line of symmetry. So there will be two diagonals and the rhombus will be symmetrical about its diagonal. This you should know. It is called as diagonal. Diagonal means it's a line segment joining two opposite vertices. When I consider a quadrilateral and name this quadrilateral as ABCD, with respect to A, D and B, they are adjacent. With respect to A, D and B, they are adjacent. And C is opposite. So when I join this A and C together, I get a line segment AC. This line segment is called as a diagonal. So the definition of a diagonal is it's a line segment joining the opposite vertices of any polygon. For this particular polygon rhombus, the diagonal will be the line of symmetry. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 42nd question. A rectangle is symmetrical about the lines joining the dash of the opposite sides.
Diagonal, sir.
It's the midpoint of the opposite side. Let me show you. If I consider a rectangle, the line of symmetry is joining these two midpoints of the opposite sides and joining these two midpoints of the opposite sides. So we can have a line of symmetry here, which is a vertical line of symmetry. This one is a horizontal line of symmetry. So two line of symmetry are possible. When we observe this side, say ABCD and MN be the midpoints, of AD and BC respectively. MN is the line of symmetry. If P and Q are mentioned here, PQ is the line of symmetry. So whenever we join the midpoints of the opposite side, we get the line of symmetry. This should be known to you. Moving further, we have questions 43 to 61. They are true or false type. We need to identify the statements as true statement or a false statement. If it is a false statement, we shall discuss the reason also why it is false. Okay. Question 43. A right triangle can have at most one line of symmetry.
True, sir. True.
This is
True, sir. True, sir. It is true.
True.
Rectangle have true.
why it is true.
Because the two angles are
Triangle has one line of symmetry. Sir, because of right angle have only
equal, sir.
into by cross.
This is a right angle triangle.
Bonus is yes, sir. Right
If I
triangle.
consider one of the angle as say 60 degree, another angle as 30 degree, can I have a line of symmetry?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Alternate,
So
sir.
no line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
If I
Yes,
have
sir.
another right angle triangle, when the angle is 45 degree each,
So now we can make one.
now there will be one line of symmetry which passes through its origin. At 90 degree, the line passes through. So one line of symmetry. So at
Yes,
the
sir.
most, how many line of symmetry? Maximum there could be one line of symmetry. That is why the statement is true. Coming to statement 44. A kite has two line of symmetry.
True, sir.
True, sir. True.
This is
True.
It's true, sir.
Horizontal, vertical.
false.
The kite is in a shape of rotor.
One will be there.
Kite is a special type of rhombus, not in the
Yes, sir.
shape of a rhombus. When we see the kite looks like this. Two of the
Sir,
sides
only
will
one is
be
there.
longer, two of the side will be shorter. This is the line of
Vertical.
symmetry. There will be only one line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry will be there. Horizontal line of symmetry will not be there. So the statement is false. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Coming to question number 45. A parallelogram has no line of symmetry.
Sir, false.
Sir, false.
Sir, false.
This statement is true. When we have a parallelogram like this, can we have line of symmetry? If these two sides are parallel, if these two sides are parallel, we cannot have line of symmetry. So no line of symmetry.
Sir, 46 false.
46th one. If an isosceles triangle has more than one line of symmetry, then it need not be equilateral triangle.
False. True.
False. False, sir. False.
This statement is a false statement because
Yes, sir.
in isosceles triangle,
Only one symmetry, sir.
it is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle included between the equal sides. That is, only one line of symmetry is possible. Whereas in a equilateral triangle, there will be three line of symmetry. In equilateral triangle, three will be there. In isosceles triangle, only one will be there. ठीक है? Question number 47. If a rectangle has more than two line of symmetry, then it must be a square.
True, sir.
True, sir. True.
True, sir.
Because in a square there will be four line of symmetry.
Four lines.
True is also find this.
Because it
In a square, there are four, sir.
Yes, sir. In square there will be four. If a rectangle is having more than two, then it has to be a square. Because square and rectangle they have the similar properties. Coming to question 48. With ruler and compass, we can bisect any given line segment.
True, sir.
Yes,
True, sir.
this is
True,
true.
sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
TRUV.
True, sir.
True, sir. 49th also true, sir.
49th, only one perpendicular bisector can be drawn to a
Yes, sir,
given
true,
line
sir.
segment.
True, sir.
Sir.
True, sir.
False.
True.
True.
True, sir. True.
Sir, one not, sir, two, sir, two, two. Sir, two, sir.
Yes, sir.
True. True.
Sir, true. 50.
Coming to 50th one, two perpendiculars can be drawn to a given line from a point not lying on it.
Paul.
Actually, this statement is a false statement
False.
because
False.
one perpendicular can be drawn to a given line from a point which is not lying on it. If there is a point here and if there is a line, from this point we can have only one perpendicular. The
Excuse me,
perpendicular
sir.
would be like this. So one perpendicular is possible.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
but
sir.
we can hand.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please explain the 50th question again.
Pardon?
Please explain the 50th question again.
50th question.
50th question. Please explain. 50.
Okay. In the 50th question, they have given two perpendiculars can be drawn on a given line from a point not lying on it. Now I am considering a line. You all can observe this line. Let me increase the thickness of the line. You can observe the line here.
Yes, sir.
Let me consider a point over here. Let this be the point. Alright, sir. From this point, I can have only one perpendicular. I will show you. If I draw a line like this, it will not be perpendicular because it is making a different angle. This angle is less than 90 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, if I consider some other line here, the angle which is formed is more than 90 degree. Let me show you that this angle is more than 90 degree. There will be only one line which will be perpendicular to the given line. This will be that the angle is equal to 90 degree. So only one perpendicular can be drawn from a point not lying on the line. Understood, sir? If there is a line L, if there is a point P, from point P, there will be only one perpendicular. There cannot be more than one perpendicular. Understood? You understood this 50th?
Yes, sir.
There will be only one perpendicular possible.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, my mic is not mute.
sir, please explain 49th question, sir.
49th question, sir. Only one perpendicular bisector can be drawn to a given line segment. When I consider a line
Oh, only
segment, let me consider one more slide here. If I consider a line segment of length, say 4.6 centimeter, this is a line segment. Suppose if the length of this line segment is 4.6 centimeter, exactly at 2.6, I can bisect it. 2.3, I can
yes, sir.
bisect it. If the length of the line segment AB is 4.6 centimeter, the length of AO will be equal to the length of OB. This will be equal to 2.3 centimeter. Understood? From here, we can have only one perpendicular. There can be only one line which is perpendicular. If I name this as PQ, you can stop talking, Shiva Basu. Angle AOP is 90 degree. So there will be only one perpendicular bisector of line segment. For any given line segment, there will be only one perpendicular bisector. There cannot be more than one perpendicular bisector. That is what the 49th statement says. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This concept, Nagbhushan sir also will explain once again. Because this chapter has just started, he may take little time, but he'll explain this. So not to worry about that. Coming to question number 51. With a given center and a given radius, only one circle can be drawn. This is a true statement because with one center and one radius, there will be only one circle possible. Using only the set squares of the geometry box, an angle of 40 degree can be drawn. Can we make a 40 degree using a set square?
No, sir.
So this statement is a false statement. We cannot make.
Sir, we can make only 45 and 30, 60, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
90.
We can make 30 degree, we can make 45 degree, we can make 60 degree. But a 40 degree is impossible. Using only two set squares of the compass box, an angle of 15 degree can be made. Can we make 15
False.
degree?
No, sir.
We can make, no?
You can make, sir.
How
Sir,
to
we can make.
How to make?
We can't make, sir.
How to make, yeah?
Sir, we have to divide 30 degree into two parts.
30
That
degree
will
into two
become
parts.
Yes, sir.
No. No. Let me explain it. Wait. You know the set square which is having 60 degree, 45 degree
Yes, sir.
set square with 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. This
Your voice is not coming, sir.
voice is not coming. It will come. Wait.
Voice is coming, sir. Voice is coming.
Sir, it is coming, sir.
Sir, it's coming, sir. How its voice is coming, sir?
Okay.
I think he has network issue.
It looks like a
Your voice is not
triangle, isn't it? Set square looks like a triangle. Let me make this as a triangle. This is one of the set square. Suppose if I name this angle, say 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. This is one set square. Same way I will consider one more set square. For that, let me group this. I will consider one more set square. This is another set square. Let me change the color of the set square. Some other color. Let me draw the measure. If it is 60 degree, if this is 30 degree, this will be 90 degree. This is known to you. These are the two types of set square which are present in the compass box. Yes. What if I bring this and keep it here? What if I bring this set square with 30 degree and place it over here? What will be the difference of this angle? Let me mention this.
Sir, 15 degree.
15
ये
degrees.
कितना
15
होगा?
degree, sir. 15 degree.
So this will be 45 degree minus 30 degree. So
15
15 degree
degree.
हो जाएगा.
15 degree, sir.
Now you go back to the previous question. Using only the two set squares of geometry box, angle of 15 degree can be drawn. Can we draw it? The answer is there here.
True,
We
sir.
can draw, no?
True.
We can draw?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this
Sir.
statement
True,
is
sir.
a true statement. We can draw because the difference of
Yes, sir.
30 degree and 45 degree is 15 degree. It is possible.
Yes.
Statement number 54. If an isosceles triangle has more than one line of symmetry, it must be an equilateral triangle. This is true.
Yes, sir. More than one means it is. Yes,
More
sir.
than one means it has to be 3 and there will be equilateral triangle formed.
It is a true statement, sir. True
Statement
statement.
number 55. A square and a rectangle have the same number of line of symmetry. This
False, sir.
statement is a false statement because for a rectangle में कितना होता है? There will be two line of
Rectangle
symmetry.
में दो होता है. False, sir. Symmetry, sir.
Square में चार होता है. In square there will be 4 and in rectangle there will be two line of symmetry. So this statement is a false statement.
False.
55th one is false. 57th.
Sir,
Sir?
false, sir. Infinity.
Sorry, 56.
False.
56. A circle has only 16 line of symmetry. This is again false. How many will be there? Infinitely many will be there. Infinite number of line of symmetry will be there.
Yes, sir. Unlimited.
Yes.
Go through.
57th. A 45 degree, 90 degree set square and a protractor have the same number of line of symmetry.
True, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir. True, sir. True.
Why it is
Only
true?
one.
In this, there is one line of symmetry. In protractor also there is one line of symmetry. In both there will be one line of symmetry.
True, sir.
Since one line of symmetry is there in both, the statement is true. ठीक है? Statement number 58. It is possible to draw two bisectors of a given angle. Can we bisect given angle? You know how to bisect? Did you learn
Yes, sir. Using compass.
using compass? Did you learn it?
I didn't learn, sir.
You didn't learn. Okay. Let me show you in a simple way how to construct a angular bisector. You all can see this?
I can't see. No, sir. Yes, sir.
You can't see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can see.
Yes, sir.
Now I am making some angle.
Please admit me, sir.
Sir, you just observe. I have drawn a line segment. Suppose if
Yes, sir.
I rotate this ruler to some extent, and once again if I join this, there will be some angle formed. This is the angle formed.
So it's
If
45 degrees, sir.
If I name this particular ray as OA and this ray as OB, angle AOB is formed. Yes, sir. What is this angle AOB? If you want to measure this angle AOB, we will make use of this particular instrument called as protractor. Here, if you observe, the angle is कितना है? How much is the angle? 42.
42, sir.
43, sir, I think.
43.
44, sir.
43, sir. 43, sir.
43
degrees, sir. 43.
43.
43.
Okay, 43.
Yes, 43.
Let me wipe this. Let me make a 60-degree angle using the protractor. I have to place the protractor here. I have to mark 60 degree over here. This is 60 degree. Now if I join this with a smooth curve, this particular angle formed is 60 degree. If I join this point along with this point, we get 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
If I name this now as ray OB, the angle AOB so formed is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now how to bisect this 60
Yes,
degree?
sir.
To bisect 60 degree, I can make use of this instrument called as compass. I have to place it at point O. How to change this length here?
Sir, put the mouse on the point of the pencil.
Pointer is there here.
Sir, click on the compass once again.
Okay.
Sir. Now
Now I have changed
yes,
it.
sir.
I am going to do an arc from here. I am going to make an arc so that it cuts these two rays. With the same length, I have to place it at this particular point. Cut arc. At this also I am going to cut arc. So these two arcs are intersected at a point.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to make a line between the arcs, sir.
Now you have to make a line between the arc. How do we do that? Use the ruler.
Yes, sir. Where
Place this
where
ruler
the
so that
two arcs are intersected.
meeting. This point of
Yes, sir.
intersection
In
I
the
have to join
intersection.
with O.
Sir, now that line is bisector, sir.
It is not exact. This is the method. Okay, sir. This is a method.
Yes, sir.
Bisector angle.
This has to
Only one,
pass
sir.
at this
Bisector.
point. There will be only one bisector. If you measure this angle, this has to be 30 degree. This has to be 30 degree. So for given angle, there will be only one bisector. I will tell a general method. First, you are going to make an angle. For that, a line segment is required. On that, you are going to place the protractor and measure the angle. Say this is the angle. If it is 45 degree, you are going to cut an arc. From here, you will cut one arc. From here, you will cut another arc with the same radius and join them. they meet each other. The angle so obtained here, this is half of 45 degree, which is 22.5 degree. This is one angle. This one more angle is also 22.5 degree. So there will be only one bisector for a given angle. For any given angle, there will be only one bisector. That should be known to you.
Presentation has gone,
In
sir.
detail, your sir will explain once again, not to worry about that. So you should understand that there will be only one line of bisector. So this statement is a false statement. Only one bisector will be there.
Sir, octagon is how many sides, sir?
Sir,
Eight.
your voice is
8.
breaking. Yes, Prudvi, also doubt.
Sir, octagon has how many sides?
Octagon has how many sides?
Eight.
Prudvi,
sir.
8 sides.
8, sir.
8 sides, sir.
A regular
Then they will
octagon will be having 8 line of symmetry. So this
Yes,
statement
sir.
is false.
False it.
There will
Sir.
be 8 line of symmetry.
8 line of symmetry.
60th one. Infinitely many perpendiculars can be drawn to a given ray. Infinitely many perpendiculars can be drawn. This statement is a true statement.
True, sir.
Yes, sir. Ray, sir. With ray we can.
Yes, sir. Infinitely many perpendiculars can be drawn on a given ray.
Sir, not in the line segment. In ray we can make.
This is a false statement.
No, because it has one fixed point.
Yeah, this will be having a one fixed point, and another side it can be extended.
Yes, sir.
So infinitely many perpendiculars cannot be drawn because the length is not final. You may say that this is a line segment. This is a ray. Let me name this as AB. This B is not fixed. The length has no fixed length. So we cannot have a perpendicular bisector. Whereas a line segment, there will be a fixed length. We can definitely have a perpendicular bisector. Moving on to the next one, 62nd. Is there any line of symmetry in this figure? If yes, draw the line of symmetry.
A to C, sir.
Yes, sir. AC, sir.
There can be one line of symmetry. Only one line of
One line of
symmetry.
symmetry.
It is somewhere here.
Horizontal. Vertical, sir.
Only vertical line of symmetry.
Yes,
So
sir.
this figure is what? What is the name of the figure?
Right, sir.
It is a kite. So a kite will be
Yes, sir.
having only one line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
So let me mention that a kite has only one line of symmetry. This is our point A, this is point C. If you imagine a rhombus, there will be two line of symmetry along the diagonal, whereas for a kite, there will be only one line of symmetry.
All 4 sides will be equal in rhombus, sir.
Yes, sir. Look at this figure. It's a rectangle PQRS. You can observe the line of symmetries here. How many line of symmetries are there?
Sir, sir, only 2, sir.
Only two?
Yes, sir. Only 2.
Which are they? Which are they?
AC and DB.
ACDB. ACDB.
The line of symmetries are
Yes, sir. Here we can make only 2 symmetry lines.
ACDB.
AC
They are
is
not,
one
sir.
line,
So I
DB is another
yeah.
line.
DB.
Horizontal and
These
vertical, sir.
lines PR, SQ, they are not the line of symmetry. There will be only two line of symmetries.
Yes,
One
sir.
is a vertical line of symmetry and another one is a horizontal line of symmetry. There will be only two line of symmetry for rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Write all the capital letters of English alphabets which have more than one line of symmetry.
Sir, we did this, sir.
We did this. Once again, if you want, I'll repeat it. The letter H will be having two line of symmetry. The letter I will be having
O.
two line of symmetry. O will be having many line of symmetry. X will be having two line of symmetry.
X, sir.
X,
Why?
Y will not be having two line of symmetry here. Y will be having only one. Here there will be two line of
Only one line
symmetry.
of symmetry.
Here many.
Sir, B.
In this
One
there
only.
are two line of symmetry for this eye. One is horizontal, another is vertical. For this also two. So these are the possible letters which are having more than two line of symmetry. Next question. You can observe this word mathematics. In this, you have to identify the letter which has no line of symmetry.
M.
Yes.
No, M. M
M has a line of symmetry, man.
in the middle.
Yes, sir.
M
Yes,
is
sir.
having a vertical line of symmetry. This letter,
Yes, sir.
this letter has no line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
Sir, only
Has
yes.
no line of symmetry.
Yes. Yes.
Moving on to the
Yes, sir.
66th question. Symmetry is a word given here. In this word, you identify
A and
S.
the number of line of symmetry in each letter.
and B. Sir.
Sir, yes,
Each
it's not
letter,
having,
each
sir.
letter,
Only S.
each letter. S में कितना है?
Yes, no line of
Y,
symmetry.
0.
M, M,
1.
E, T,
DRY.
R, Y.
No, sir.
In this, there is no line of
No,
symmetry.
sir. No line of symmetry.
Actually, they have not given Y like this. They have given
Yes, sir.
Y
We
like
have
this.
to make equal,
1.
sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
Here there will be one line of symmetry. If you want me to draw,
M
1.
also 1.
1 in M.
this
also
should
one,
be the
sir.
line of symmetry. Here also there is one line of
Also 1.
symmetry.
M also 1, sir.
One
1. Sir,
in the
1,
letter
sir.
E,
Horizontal
horizontal one line of
one.
symmetry. In
T
this
also
letter
1
T,
in the vertical.
Vertical
vertical.
one. Sir,
In the
no
R,
symmetry.
None.
No line of
there is no line of symmetry. In the letter
sir.
Y,
1.
in the Y, it is not like this. Y is given like this. So
Sir,
there is one line of
equally.
symmetry.
But upside is that sir.
Symmetry.
Upside also that sir.
So this is one. Here there is one. Here there is one.
Sir, 1, sir.
Here there is
1, 1.
one. Here also this one. So in all
One.
these cases, one line of symmetry except S and S and R. Except
S and R.
S and R,
They are not having no line of
They are-
symmetry.
other letters
These letters don't have any.
Other
has
letter having a one line of
one
symmetry.
line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
let us end this session by answering the 67th question. 67th question is match the following. We have to match the left side with the right side. Number of lines of symmetry are given in the right side. Left side, the shapes are mentioned.
Sir, isosceles triangle.
I will be mentioning here one.
Isosceles, yep. Isosceles, yep, sir. Yep. Yep, sir. Isosceles, yep.
Second one, 4, sir.
Four.
C. Square C.
Second one, C, sir.
Square 2. 1, sir.
Second one is C, sir. Third one is 1, sir.
Sir, equilateral triangle 3, sir. Rectangle
Isosceles triangle, there will be only one.
1, sir.
For a square,
One,
there will
sir.
be 4.
Four, sir.
For this one, kite, there will be
One, sir.
One,
Four.
Three.
One.
Three, sir.
Let me mention the answer only.
Two, sir.
Three, sir.
For I, the right
F.
option is F.
F,
Yes, sir. F.
For 2,
Yes,
the right option is C.
C, sir. C.
For 3, the right option is F.
F, sir. F.
For 4, the right option is
Sir,
D. There will be 3.
D, sir.
For 5, the right option is
D, sir.
A.
D, sir.
A.
E, sir. E, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. My mistake. It's
E,
E.
sir. E.
For sixth one, it is A.
A.
Sixth
And the
one,
last
E,
one, it
sir.
is G.
A, sir.
Zero.
Yes, sir.
G.
Sir, right,
There
sir.
will be 0 number of line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
A.
Okay, sir.
G, sir.
Yes,
Is there any doubt in these questions which we have discussed
No,
now?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Full easy, sir. Full easy.